Hello friends, I welcome you in my YouTube channel Online Scam Advisor. Today we will discuss on topic Voldic Reviews. So if you are going to buy anything from this website, then before buy, watch this important video. But if you already have purchased product from this website and if you have not received your product yet or got a damaged product, then please watch this full detailed video till then to find out how to get your money back. First of all, I want to tell you that it's not my website. I'm making this video only for you so that I can save you from a scam website. And in this video, I will tell you that this website is legit or scam. So this is an e-commerce website and this website is offering you Voldic electric earwax removal kit as you can see here. And this website is also secured by the HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the retails and transactions safe, and which is a good sign. And also here you can check the registration date and expiry date of this website, and all the informative pages are available here, so it's a good sign of this website. And for return and refund issues, you can check the description area of this video. And now finally we will talk about voldic.com reviews. So there are no reviews available, so it's a negative point. Trust index score of this website is 54. Business trust ranking of this website is 20.8. And this website is also not active over any social media platform, so it's a negative sign. Content quality also looks plagiarized. So according to our research, in the conclusion of Voldic Reviews, this website seems scam. But I request you to please make a right decision while exploring. So if this video is helpful for you, then support me, like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Also comment me if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay safe, stay happy.